come to you, Dr. B. One of the key things, and we've had this discussion with Fatima a long time, is Africa needs its own models, right? But you happen to have written, I mean, it has SLM, and everybody who thinks SLM is a small thing to do, building a model of any size is a lot of work. But he already has like a model that works in the market, right? What will be a cheat sheet for anybody who is sitting here, academic, private sector? I'll come to government because I want to ask you a question around government. Is what will a cheat sheet to say African can build its own models?
Yeah, thank you very much. Just to contextualize, so when you are talking about models, that is similar to what we are all familiar with. Excuse me. That's ChatGPT, large language model, which can do everything. But when we talk about small language models, we're talking about something that is very specific to a domain. For example, there's something called Telco LLM. Telco LLM allows you to interact with telecom-specific data set such that it understands all the terminologies, the network, and all of that, and is able to interact well. Now, what we've seen is that in order to build small language model that works within a domain, it is not just technical expertise. You need domain expert. Mm-hmm. For example, the one that we first released that is being used heavily now is for family planning with the support of Gates Foundation. In order for us to do that, we work with network of family planning counselors. I mean, we're talking about over 500 counselors who understand the language, who understand the context. And then we label over 2 years call center data of people who have called the call center to express their concerns. So we're able to capture their nuances, their terminologies, and of course their idiolects, which is not what you are going to scrape online, so that the solution works. And the second thing is that you need infrastructure, and you need a program that supports that. And I will give kudos to NVIDIA. We joined NVIDIA Inception program. We bought our own GPU, but they gave us a discount. Mm-hmm. And that helped us to be able to scale a lot of our small language model, deploy it commercially, and start supporting businesses. So the pathway is very simple. Number one, you need the real data of the people if you want to build solutions that solve real problems. Mm-hmm. And I need to also mention that the general models are also very important as well because they provide the foundation. And we're quite lucky today on the continent that most of them are now being made open source. For example, 2 days ago, Nigeria released N-Atlas, and I'm glad that the founders, Owari, they're also here. Yeah. So, and that is a call to other African countries. We need to provide the foundational model, then others like EqualyzAI, like we have done, we can then start building small language model, and the likes of NVIDIA can come onto the table to provide infrastructure, and then academia can then use it to do benchmark, standardize and drive new frontiers of impact.
Yeah.